Are you still afraid of doing full mouth reconstructions even after joining multiple FMR workshops? Do you still find it difficult to understand how much vertical to raise in a case and how to do it exactly? Are you still not clear with the concept of centric relation and you do not know if you have recorded the centric relation correctly? Are you stuck with the choice of material in planning your full mouth reconstruction cases? Are you scared of the concept of horizontal condylar guidance and its importance in planning the posterior occlusal anatomy? Are you still confused about how and why I do a phase boot transfer or use an articulator or program an articulator? Are you still confused about what occlusal schemes to follow when you are doing a full mouth reconstruction on natural dentition or on a mix of natural dentition and implants or on implants themselves and how to establish it exactly? Then this workshop is what you need. Attend my one-day workshop online on Sunday to clear your concepts on full mouth reconstructions and start putting the principles into practice easily but perfectly. In the workshop, you will learn how to plan your full mouth reconstruction cases, whether on natural dentition or on implants or on a combination of both. I will explain why and how we record a phase bow and transfer it on the articulator and what happens when we don't do it. We will also understand the most untouched and unexplained topics like H value, its connection to posterior occlusal anatomy and the temporomandibular joint, its importance in planning the anatomy and maintaining your full mouth reconstructions, as well as the exact way to calculate it. After understanding the concept of centric relation and pseudocentric in the workshop, recording the centric relation and verifying it will be a cakewalk for you. And the best part, the workshop covers exactly what occlusal schemes you need to follow when you do full mouth reconstructions and how to establish it exactly. From the choice of articulating papers to how you protect your implant occlusion perfectly, the workshop covers full mouth reconstruction in the depth like never before. So come on, invest a Sunday and change your prosthetic practice forever.